Nishek Mugadza, the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution in Manicaland, has stated that ZANU-PF is not intimidated by growing calls for a national referendum on the constitutional bill number 3. Salabanamash Kumbranyu Kwachinzi, we don't fear referendum. ZANU-PF Manicaland boss declares. Do subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna Mnamubranyu Kwachinzi. Speaking to party members and affiliates earlier this week, Mugadza projected confidence, insisting the ruling party would emerge victorious in the referendum were to be conducted. Do you think ZANU-PF fears a referendum? Yes, ZANU-PF will always win and they cannot stop us. There is no issue here, he said. He maintained that the proposed constitutional changes do not legally require public approval through a referendum, dismissing concerns raised by critics. We are not violating the constitution, so there is no need for a referendum. It's just a postponement of the election, Mugadza added. The Constitutional Amendment number 3, Bill of 2026, has triggered widespread debate across Zimbabwe, with critics arguing that it carries significant implications for governance and democratic processes. Among the proposed changes were extending the term of the president, member of parliament, and local authorities from 5 to 7 years. The bill also seeks to shift presidential election from a direct public vote to a parliamentary process, while removing public interviews in the appointment of judges. The developments have intensified scrutiny over the direction of constitutional reforms, with the stakeholders divided over the necessity and impact of the proposed amendments. Though patasvika apa muri yeZimbabwe panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi ZANU-PF vanoda achiti hatimbotyi referendum iri kuonekwa kunzi iri kudikwa nemunhu wese achiti aiwa hamungangouyi muchingochinja bumbiro remutemo zvinoafecta macitizens musina kureach out kwatiri. PANECHAMISA chemedu zvafungira imo today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like chita on the bell icon.